So, party people, I was just thinking this morning, should I get a boat? Should I get a boat for my camp? I got the hat. Somebody was telling me we're living in the end times. It's about to get biblical. I thought, biblical? Flood? You know, Slab City is about 145 feet below sea level. And the ocean is about 146 miles away. There is a mountain range in between us. Not sure how far. But yeah, should I get a boat for my camp? Just in case one day I see the ocean coming over that mountain range. Yeah, party people, should I get a boat? I already got the hat. Have a good weekend out there. Stay hydrated. All right. Take care of yourselves. Pet your dogs and your kitty cats. Peace and love. Bye-bye.